guys, so I'm back and we're going to be doing a camping video. So it's Baby Live, my very first Baby Live video. So let's get started. Woohoo, this is so much fun. Yeah, it is, sis. Yay, we're here, brother. Yay, this is the best day of my life, I know, sis. Yay, we're here at the campsite.
I know, Sissy. This is going to be a lot of fun.
Oh, hi, guys. Hi. We're going to go in the tent. Beds are so cool. Wow, it looks amazing. I call this one. Ow. I'm good. Let's go into the tent. Okay, you do that, brother. Yay! My turn to go into the tent. Wow, it's amazing in here. Woo! Hi, Midnight. Woof, woof. Hi, brother.
Hi.
Time to get out and go. Ooh, come on, sis. Let's go climb some trees. Okay, brother, I'm coming. Let's go climb some trees. Yay! Let's go and explore. Woohoo! That glass is okay. Me too. Yay! This is gonna be so much fun.
All right, my turn to go and explore. Woohoo! Wow, it's beautiful out here. Nature's amazing. I'm so glad our mommies took us to go camping. Whoa, hey guys, you guys watching the clouds?
Yeah! Oh my God, there's a beautiful tree! Yeah, brother! So pretty. Oh, brother, this is the best day of my life. Yeah, sis, I'm the one that found the tree, and good thing you're thankful, and I love this day too.
Wow, being up in this tree has an amazing view. Yeah, it's pretty amazing up here.
Ruff, ruff.
Wow, we've been up in this tree for quite a while. Who wants to play hide and seek?
I do. This is the best idea you ever said.
Wow, thank you so much.
You're welcome, bestie.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do you not? Here I come. All right, I'm going to go head in this direction.
Oh no, I think he sees me.
Huh, strange. Found you!
No!
All right, I'm going to continue to find everybody else. All right, you wait here, okay?
Okay.
I'll go check inside of the tent. Whoop. Let's put this up here, and let's go find the other people. It looks like someone's inside of the blanket. Oh! Hi! Found you!
Yay!
Okay, so now I'm going to go find my dog, Midnight, and I'm going to go find my sister, Liliana. You guys wait here, okay?
Okay.
Oh, hi, Liliana. What a great hiding spot.
Oh, thank you. I decided to hide up here. Well, it's okay. You found me. Woohoo! Whee! Whoa!
Go.
Yay! This is delicious. Yummy!
Yum, yum.
Ruff! All you guys are having a delicious meal, and I am too. This is delicious.
Go.
Guys, it's getting a long time, and it's been a long day, so we should start heading to bed.
Okay.
Good night! Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for part 2. Bye!